This video is a quick look at some of the ways you can copy and paste or insert an Excel worksheet into a Word document. As you can see, I've already opened both Excel and Word and configured the panes so that they can be viewed side by side. In this case, the side-by-side view works well because the information we want to copy from Excel is easily viewable in the smaller pane. However, if you had a larger set of information you want to copy, it might be easier to tab in between applications to make sure you are getting all the data you require, or to go to View and take the zoom down in order to make sure you're getting all your data, such as that. So we'll get the zoom back to where we were, and now we'll go ahead and do the simplest way to paste an Excel spreadsheet onto a Word document. What you want to do is first capture the data that you want to transfer. By doing this, you're going to left click and pull. Easiest way is to start in one of the corners, just left click, pull down as far as you want to go to the side, and then once you have everything that you're looking for, you go ahead and let go. And then you're going to right click and click on copy, and you'll see the dotted line that goes around showing where you have actually gotten what is going to be copied. That way you can make sure that you've actually gotten all the information that you want. If for some reason you have not been able to get it correctly, just pick a cell, go ahead and click on it once with your left mouse key, and then double click again, and it'll stop, so you can start again. So we'll go back, we'll go ahead and capture our data by dragging with the left mouse key, again hit the right, and go ahead and copy. So now that we have our information highlighted over in the Excel pane, we can go over to the Word pane. Just go ahead and left click on that as well to get you your cursor. Now you can position where you would like the information to go by entering to go down, tabbing to go across. Now you don't have to be spot on with this, because as we'll see later, you can actually move the material around to make sure it's where you want it to be, but for now we have it generally where it is. So now we're on the cursor. We'll go ahead and right click, go to paste, and it will go ahead and paste that information. As I said, you have this icon here, which lets you move the data right, left, top, center. You can move it wherever you like. So if you didn't get the positioning exactly where you wanted it to be originally, you can move it around. You can also go down to the bottom right here. You can make it larger as far as your sizing goes. So that's your general pasting. Easy enough. It's almost the same as pasting text from another source into a Word document. What we want to look at next is actually taking your Excel information, pasting it to your Microsoft Word document, and then having it linked where if you make a change on the Excel document, it will also make the change in your Word document, so that later on, if you need to print out something updated, it will have those changes with it. So in this Excel spreadsheet, I basically have the same information in two separate places. But if you look at a specific cell, for example here, E3, you'll see up here that it's just a number value. Whereas if you go to the lower one and actually click on the same cell, you'll see that there is a basic but a formula. So what we want to do here is transfer the bottom one over to Microsoft Word so that those formulas will stay intact, and that any changes that are made on this form will then go to Microsoft Word as well. Again, on our Excel spreadsheet, we will click and drag to capture the information that we want, and then right click and copy, go over to Word, and we will go ahead and right click and paste. Now you'll see in the bottom right hand side of this table that we've copied over, you'll see a little clipboard. If you go ahead and click on that, it will give you paste options. And what we're looking for is keep source formatting and link to Excel. And if you click on that, now we've actually linked this Excel spreadsheet with this Word document. So for example, here we have attempts 15 for John. If I go over and change this to, let's make it a little more dramatic, say 30, and press enter, you'll see the change not only here, but you'll also see the change as far as the win percentage goes. Now I could have done a better job and linked that to win and lose so that it would all do so, but you can see the point that now that when we change things on here, it automatically changes it in your Word document. So for example, if you were a small business owner and sent out a monthly letter to your investors showing, profit loss, whatnot, you wouldn't have to print out a whole spreadsheet. If you just wanted to capture a small amount of data, you could just change a couple numbers and it would automatically change in Word for that letter that you were sending out. So far we've shown a couple cut and paste options if you already have an Excel spreadsheet created. However, if you just want to place one that you have not yet created inside a Word document, you also have the option to do that. If you just go to Insert on Microsoft Word, go to Tables, click on that, and then go down to Excel Spreadsheet, it will go ahead and place a spreadsheet within your actual Word document for you to start using. Now, if you'll notice, once we've put this Excel table in our Word document, we have more options that are actually Excel based, such as being able to enter formulas. It will actually give you options as far as doing cells, as far as their format, cells as far as number creation if you want dollar signs, percentage, things of that nature. So you can go ahead and build your own Excel worksheet actually right in the middle of a Word document. So these are just a couple of ways that you can either taking an existing Excel spreadsheet and place it into a Word document, or just go ahead and create an Excel spreadsheet within your Word document. Thank you very much.